How to pay for YouTube Premium using PayPal. Follow my instructions. If you want to subscribe to YouTube Premium, PayPal is a quick and secure option. You can set it up from your phone or computer in just a few minutes. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to upgrade. Tap your profile picture and select Purchases and Memberships. Choose Get YouTube Premium or Manage Membership if you're renewing. You'll see different payment methods. Select PayPal from the list. If PayPal is not showing, tap Add Payment Method and choose PayPal. Sign into your PayPal account when prompted. Confirm your payment information and billing address. Then tap Agree and Subscribe to complete the payment. Once done, your YouTube Premium benefits will be active immediately. You'll also get a confirmation email from both YouTube and PayPal. You can manage or cancel your subscription anytime in the same menu. That's how to pay for YouTube Premium with PayPal. Thanks for watching.